I'm under the influence of the pill now. So just kind of.
So, going faster? Air is going faster?
Yep. I just went back again, working on the Beast AR 450, Adarsh's brand new M-tuned Himalayan 450, and we are going in with the velocity stack from RIDEGINEER. I've just put mine on my motorcycle, which is a 450 as well, and the benefits are fantastic. It's great. The air just flows so much more in a linear fashion. Laminar flow, if you want to understand what's happening here. Smoother flow of airflow than this. There's a lot of what Adarsh has done is Adarsh has made he's just drilled out the hole, and he's not taken care to smoothen this edge. And to smoothen this edge, it's a lot of work. And even if we were to do it, it's still going to be a sharp transition. Unlike this, where there are 3 steps. If you guys can see, there's an outer lip, then there is an inner lip, and then there's the third lip. Of course, you can sand this down a little bit and make it even more smooth. But this air, the air, the way it flows air, is it stacks up a large volume of air into a sharp point of entry. Unlike this, the air has to take a sudden change in direction. Here, the air tries to go in a more linear fashion. So that's what we call as laminar flow. This thing ought to increase the laminar flow, and hopefully that will give you better throttle response. And if Adarsh has something to say, I'm a little out of my breath.
Mashe, will this howl? Will this howl?
Yeah. This will definitely create a little more of a howl than what you have already. This will get for the inlet roar. Yeah.
that ensures that I don't mess with this exhaust.
Yeah, exactly. That's the best thing to do. Not to tamper with the exhaust, but only play with the inlet.
Yeah.
Better howl. No need for an exhaust.
I mean, we have to hear the bike, no? Why do we have to let others hear the bike?
It's got a fantastic point there. Yeah. It's about your engagement and somebody else's engagement.
Yeah.
I'll just get the M5.
So the thing goes on clean. Before that, slight grease. Just to make it stick to the and ensuring there's no gaps, airtight. Don't overdo the greaser.
Yeah. Again.
Slide. And that goes a long way.
Yeah, these little things go along.
Yeah.
And we have our new velocity stack going in.
Slightly more slow.
Yeah, 450. From RIDEGINEER, not tagging.
Manya bulbugal minni kattunnu.
Other than multicultural.
So the best part is you don't over tighten these. You don't get to over tighten these.
You can.
Because it doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter.
It has a steel sleeve. Yeah, exactly.
It doesn't matter. You don't have to worry about it.
Yeah, and those are imported.
Yeah.
He's imported the bloody sleeves.
Denne kondu pani edupikka athra. That is the whole agenda of me coming to Chennai on the guise of making Bikers Backyard. Saying that I will do Bikers Backyard, but ended up him working on my bike.
Hey, I enjoy working on bikes, man. So no complaints there.
This is like invite the invitee, and then I end up doing these things.
Units
Yeah.
Printed units,
One.
They'll crack.
Yeah.
But that's all right.
That's all right. I mean, it will stay.
This black thing is what's cracking.
No, it will stay. It will stay because it is under pressure. No, it will stay.
നീ ഇങ്ങനെ പറ. You make it entertaining to the boys.
Somebody is working on the 450 and I am sitting and laughing at this. Not even helping, lifting a finger, having tea. Suresh, your work is done. I'll keep coming to Chennai now.